Not long after Mini announced the new Countryman to the world, the British carmaker has presented the new performance-focused John Cooper Works variant. It follows a familiar recipe of visual updates and performance alterations that Mini says makes it a pure joy to drive. The most important upgrades can be found on the hood. Powering the new John Cooper Works Countryman is a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder that produces 312 horsepower in US trim or 296 horsepower in Europe. Torque is capped at 295 pound-feet, 400 Newton-meters, and the sprint to 62 miles per hour, 100 km per hour, is dealt with in 5.4 seconds. The Mini won't stop accelerating until it hits 155 miles per hour, 250 kilometers per hour. The engine benefits from optimized pistons, new connecting rods, and has a revised air intake and dual-drive turbocharger. New engine mounts are also featured in helping to put the power to the ground or 245 mm with tires wrapped around available 19-inch and 20-inch wheels. The John Cooper Works Countryman will be sold exclusively in all-wheel drive. Just in case the performance alone isn't enough to remind drivers that this is no ordinary Mini, the brand has also fitted a new valve exhaust system and an engine sound generator in the cabin. Visually, the John Cooper Works stands out from lesser variants thanks to bright chili red accents on the front end and LED headlights with a special JCW signature mode. Mini's designers have also finished the grille in black, changed the seat pillars, and added new tail light frames. The sporty theme continues into the cabin with a combination of black and red elements, JCW sports seats, and a dashboard with two-tone textile made from recycled polyester. Owners will also be able to use some new Mini experience modes through the central touchscreen. This setup will allow them to customize settings like the screen's backgrounds and sounds. A go-kart mode has also been added to spice up the driving experience and amp up the sound of the engine. US prices for the new John Cooper Works Countryman start at $46,900 excluding a $995 destination and handling fee. The first examples should reach dealers in May 2024.